This is a laser tooling repairing machine. It's specially designed for the tooling repairing market. It's built up by two parts, the main body and the chiller, the water cooling system. The argon and the end tool is protecting air. Now we will show you how this machine works. Let's start the machine. First step, start the chiller. Press OK. After about 45 seconds, the machine is ready to work. Here, from the control panel, we can adjust the controlling parameters. The working bench can be manually adjusted from X and Y way, or can be controlled automatically. The arm can also be adjusted automatically. The arm can turn an angle. The machine can also weld rotational parts.